Hi everyone. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to integrate your Enium account into Arka360. To begin, navigate to the External Integration section under the Settings menu in Arka360. Here, you'll find a list of all available integrations. Select Enium and click on the Connect button. You'll need to enter your username and API key to complete the integration. If you don't have the API key, you can request it from the Enium customer support team. Once you've entered the required credentials, click Connect. After successfully integrating your Enium account, open AnyDesign in Arka360 and go to the Pricing and Financing section. Under the Financing tab, you'll find the Enium financing option. Select this option to begin configuring loan terms. You can select the terms and rates applicable to the loan. The loan principal and down payment will be automatically retrieved from the system. If needed, you can adjust these values using the provided slider under the System Pricing section. The system will then display the estimated monthly payment based on the selected loan principal. Before applying for a loan, ensure the customer's first name, last name, and email address are accurate. Once verified, click Apply Loan. The system will generate the terms and rates and send an email to the customer. This email will guide the customer to provide the necessary personal information for loan processing. Finally, you can monitor the loan application status directly within the software. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.